Hey everybody, welcome back inside the Mind of Matt. I'm just going to make a quick little video here with a time lapse involved. I had a special request for a model in a certain color, so I'm going to make that, and we're going to do a little time lapse. So here is a fluorescent green boogie boogie. Enjoy. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and set your notifications so you know that I've got a new video coming out and you can keep coming back. So thanks everybody, and enjoy the print. Alright, all done. Let's see how she looks. Well, I'm going to have to get something to get it off the bed. Alright, there he is. Turned out pretty damn good. Put a hook on it for a keychain. Oogie boogie. So I printed this guy up last night. You'll see it from the video. And the strangest thing happened today on my way to work. I saw this. So just thought I'd share. Pretty interesting coincidence, and thought I'd share. Anyways, one other thing. I did receive my first gift / donation to my channel. I had somebody wanted a keychain made up, and I made this for him. And from watching my videos, he thought I might be able to use this. So, nice little gift that was given to me by a friend, and I'd like to thank you very much, Jeremy. It will come of great use. So, once again, thanks a lot for stepping inside the Mind of Matt. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, set your notifications, and keep coming back. Have a good day. Happy printing.